Hello, brother. And just you need to go your domain under the domain menu. Just go to transfer. Cause we need to transfer our domain on here. Just put your domain verkabo.nl. Then click to transfer button. We already connected this domain from Strato, so that's why it's ready for transfer. Otherwise, you need to a authorization code and other domain unlock. We need to do like that, and over 60 pass or initial domain registration last transfer. So we have already done the all. I already unlocked the domain, as well as I already connected this domain with authorization code. So that's why it's only you need to pay only $0.99. So just go to your just log in your hostinger, then go to another domain menu, then go to the transfer, and then put your domain on here. Then you will see the domain. Just click to the purchase, and then click to complete the payment, and that's it. Then that not the payment completely done. Just you need to again you put your payment method on here by this, and then you need to fill out this $1.2 on here, maybe 1 euros from your site. I think that will be okay. Just put your card and then pay now. Then our domain will successfully connected to hostinger from your Strato dome hosting. So thank you so much. I think this is very helpful for you, how to transfer the domain on here. Thank you.